Welcome back, everyone. Today we are learning about different types of makeup brushes and their uses. Foundation brush helps apply foundation evenly for a smooth and flawless base. Concealer brush is perfect for covering dark circles, spots, and blemishes with precise application. Powder brush helps set your makeup and gives a soft, natural finish. Blending brush smoothly blends eyeshadow and removes harsh lines for beautiful eye makeup. Contour brush helps sculpt and define your face features perfectly. Fan brush is best for applying highlighter and creating a soft, glowing look. Always keep your brushes clean for better and hygienic makeup application. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.